Hello everyone, in the previous videos we learned how to draw realistic hairs, eyes, nose, and smooth face shading. If you haven't watched them, watch now, link is in the description. In this video, we will learn how to draw lips, realistic beard and the remaining part. Take a sharp 2H pencil and start shading the base layer with a light pressure. Take a sharp charcoal pencil and shade the darkest areas as shown in the video. Create a thick layer with a sharp 2H, HB, and 2B pencil respectively, as shown in the video. Use a sharp 3B pencil for more darker areas and details and blend all the layers with a makeup brush as shown in the video. Now, we will draw realistic beard using indenting technique. If you don't know about indenting technique, let me show you. Take a blank pen and draw lines using a little pressure on paper, like this. Now, take a charcoal pencil and start shading above those lines. You will see the white lines pop up. Using the same technique, we will add highlights and white hairs. Draw random strokes with a blank pen in the direction of highlights according to reference image, as shown in the video. Take a charcoal pencil and start shading, following the direction of hairs and highlights according to the reference image, with a little pressure in the beginning. Now, add more pressure and finish the darker areas according to the reference image. Take a makeup brush and start blending the charcoal slowly with a little pressure. You can buy a makeup brush like this from the local market. Link of all materials in description. Use a sharp charcoal pencil and draw the mustache. Draw random strokes for hairs according to the reference image. Now, use a mechanical pencil for extra fine hairs in the beard and the mustache, as shown in the video. For the skin area, create layers using a sharp 2H, HB, 2B pencil respectively. Use a 3B pencil for darker areas and blend them with a makeup brush, as shown in the video.
To save this world, so prepare yourselves for us.
With a sharp charcoal pencil, add more fine and dark hairs according to the reference image as shown in the video. Blend with a makeup brush. Now, use a mechanical pencil for extra fine hairs in the beard and the mustache. Blend again and create highlights using a Tombow Mono 0 eraser.
Try to take me down, 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 down. Try to lift me up, but I will stop the time crashing through my mind. Let's try.
Draw the ears using the same technique of skin shading as told earlier. Repeat the same process of thick layering with 2H, HB, and 2B pencil, respectively for the remaining areas, according to the reference image, as shown in the video. Blend with a makeup brush and create highlights using a kneaded eraser. Repeat the same process for the second ear. Repeat the process of adding highlights and fine hairs until we get the desired result according to the reference image.
When the darkness is pulling you down, you don't know how to move on. When music is the only thing that keeps you alive.
Finish the remaining areas with the same techniques as told earlier. I hope this tutorial helped you. Like and subscribe for more. In the next videos, we will learn more about drawing and shading techniques. If you have any doubts, comment below and enjoy the cinematic shots.
For us.